Why solar punk? Here's a PSA, especially for you solar punk enthusiasts. So we all know about pathogenic hygiene, right? Indoctrination hygiene even, right? But what about elemental hygiene? Shauna Swan, epidemiologist who worked with the CDC, she wrote a book called Countdown. Yeah, guess what it's about? She exposes how post-World War II synthetics, like plastics and ultrafine particles, are quietly disrupting DNA and global biology. So that's pretty bad since World War II when they started mass producing plastics. So traditional environmental justice is failing by treating new synthetics as innocent until proven guilty, which is great for social justice, but we need biological justice. New synthetics must be considered guilty of bioaccumulation and DNA disruption until they're proven innocent. Um, so what does that mean? We just ban plastics and all these other materials that cause, genetic disruption? No, you can't just turn it off. That's as stupid as saying economic degrowth. It's like, no, you're suggesting reducing population at that point. No, what you need to do is a hybrid system where you have the alternatives and you make them available to everyone before you turn off the old stuff. The public needs to understand the importance of circularity, of resource purity, like no contaminants. Like, it's not called waste management. Some countries literally call it resource management because they're still resources. Our resources need to be circular, reusable, clean, as in non-polluting, as in they don't leach particles, they're bad for biology. A lot of the synthetics that were invented in World War II, not recyclable. They're not even compatible with biology as they degrade. They're harmful after they degrade. I'm not suggesting economic degrowth or to go minimalism. No, we need to prop up the zero waste versions of everything. Zero waste doesn't mean no waste, it just means no plastics, really. It means no wasting humanity's health, the habitat's longevity. That's what we're not wasting here by just going to pre-World War II materials that were actually circular and actually compatible and using those materials for modern products. We need a mandate that all of the marketplaces actually sell a non-polluting version of everything so consumers actually have a choice. Zero waste retailers, they just don't have the variety to compete. Planet first, people